The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Colorado County in southeastern Texas until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Schulenburg, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sherman and Rock Island. For your protection, make sure your roof on the walls of a building.
Well, got an SVR.
Service in League City has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Freeport to Matagorda Ship Channel, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. Matagorda Bay. Waters from Freeport to Matagorda Ship Channel, Texas, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, stronger thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles west of Surf Sun City to 14 nautical miles north of Fort Alaska, being felt at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged to briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Brazos 400, Matagorda Ship Channel, Turtle Bay, Brazos 439, Brazos 490, East Matagorda Bay, Matagorda Jetty, and Palm Beach Century. Matagorda Ship Channel Light 57, Matagorda Ship Channel Light 3, Matagorda Ship Channel Light 52, Matagorda Ship Channel Light 24, Matagorda Ship Channel Lighted Buoy Line, Matagorda Ship Channel Light 73, and Matagorda Ship Channel Light 44. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Freeport to Matagorda Ship Channel, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. Galveston Bay. Waters from Freeport to Matagorda Ship Channel, Texas, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
What the fuck?
At 5:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, stronger thunderstorms were located along the line.
There ain't no way they just put that till 8 o'clock. No fucking way they just did.
10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged to briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted. Galveston Bay entrance. Galveston 344, Galveston. Galveston Bay entrance channel lighted buoy 3, Galveston Bay entrance channel lighted buoy 1, Freeport Harbor light 20, Freeport entrance lighted buoy 3, and Freeport entrance lighted buoy 2. Move to safe harbor until
What the fuck? SVR! SVR!
The National Weather Service incorporates thunderstorm warning for Central County in south central Texas until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Normanna, or near Beeville, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beeville and Normanna. This includes the following highways. US Highway 181 between mile markers 584 and 5.
I know they're going to relay, that's why I changed it. Because I already got other radios on it. Wait, I want to see if EOM detection works.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 6:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Greyhound mouth that they're about to run out of. Very imposing.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
Oh, these are on ads, so they're going to relay. This is LP2.
4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
And topped with blue curacao. So it's time for you to come and see what's sizzling.
It's on TV too.
The National Weather Service.
You need to feed the cat as soon as you're done.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Central County in south central Texas until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Normanna, or near Beeville, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
What station is this?
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and
I
trees.
think it's
Locations impacted include Beeville and Normanna.
So KORO TV.
Includes the following highways.
see how
US
6
Highway
has.
181 between mile
6 is going to relay it differently. Ads. That's all they got is ads. What the hell is up with you, K
So confident you'll love our cookware that we offer free
and you bastards? Come on, someone relay.
To board millions into a pro golf circuit to rival the PGA.
Oh, none of these going to relay?
Now the playing of the.
Don't treat your groin like junk. Respect it.
I mean, KORO TV already relayed.
Buy now at a retailer near you.
Are they not going to relay?
Has great prices on everything you need for your best year yet. Save on headphones and laptops. Save on notebooks, pens, and all the essentials. Priced low and still in stock. And right now at Staples, 24-pack Crayola crayons and comp books are only 50 cents each. Plus,
Let's go to LP1, assuming they haven't relayed. That's 95.5. Come on, someone relay. KEDT, you gonna relay? What the hell? KEYS, you good?
And now the national anthem.
Oh. What about, shit? KKTX. Yeah, you're hearing that because of this. No, come on. Is someone going to relay, damn it? Someone? Anyone? Do y'all not give a fuck about B County? Maybe they'll relay it once they come back. This is LP2, so they may relay it when they come back. Just to be clear, this phone is not mine. This is my parents' phone, but they're letting me use it to monitor this. I knew that was gonna go. I knew that was gonna go SVR, so I got it ready. And I was right. Severe.
This is Super Bowl World Champion Alfred Williams. Here's what's trending on the iHeart Sports Network.
Presented by Mercedes-Benz.
The Cowboys are listing Tyler Smith and Donovan Wilson as doubtful.
You're LP2. Your job is to relay. KORO relayed way before you. Jeez. I thought they were going to relay in the middle of the message because typically stations have a 2-minute delay.
Owning a Mercedes-Benz EV isn't just extraordinary.
Bro, someone relay. More fucking ads. Y'all have all this time to relay during the ads. Actually, that would be very much appreciated. What was that? Oh, just area forecast discussion.
We're back like a second wave of the... hey, can we just get back to the rock? C101.
Okay, y'all ain't gonna relay. Okay, wow.
If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. A strong thunder...
Okay, so I just wasted all that time. At least you got it over KORO TV. And, of course, NWR.
National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern San Patricio County.
Oh, I'm in this one!
Texas, South Central County in South Central Texas until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Skidmore, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour.
San Patricio County, that's my county.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Skidmore, St. Paul, Papalote, and Tynan. This includes U.S. Highway 181 between mile markers 596 and 614. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.
Come on, hurry up.
Lightning is one of nature's leading cures.
I know they're going to relay this over
Remember,
some stations.
if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The current time is 7:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Devil, you know.
The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi.
Stonehenge is out in the middle of the country. It's going to be difficult, but no. You come into Salisbury.
In South Central Texas, South Central County in South Central Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
The arrival of the train.
In an ideal world.
And you're on your way.
That's exactly it. We try and make it as easy as we possibly can.
What was that?
There's often a thought, many of our guests tend to think they have to do
climate reports.
an organised trip from London, but no, you don't. Use the public transport.
You could spend a lot of extra money taking that organized tour, or you could save a lot of money.
KEYS?
Big defensive series for Greg Portland coming up.
Hold on, 1360.
Two campaigns in North Carolina, 2018, 2019.
Touchdown!
No, they're likely going to interrupt that.
I went there with our TV crew just a couple of years ago, and it was all different from my experience. I've been there for so many times, and you got after the exhibition center.
Hey, is anyone going to do anything, or is this going to be just like last time?
We're talking with Jeannie Carmichael and Liz Boardman about side trips from London. What's another side trip you would consider, Jeannie?
Oh, one of
Not
the
going to relay?
is Bletchley Park. Maybe, have you seen that wonderful film with Benedict Cumberbatch? All about Bletchley Park, the code breakers?
Oh, the Enigma Code.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh,
You think they'd relay?
And that's open to the public.
I assume not. I also assume that look at this. It shows 2 events here. But if we go to my 12262, one event. Does it override the old events? Like if they're the exact same? Like look, if we go on my HH. See? There's 2 events. My WR100. Did it just log 1 too? Oh no, I logged 2. They all but the 12262 logs 2 events. RIP. SMW and the ER-50 failed.
The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a special marine warning for Corpus Christi and New Aces Bays until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:06 p.m. Central Daylight
I thought that was an SVR.
thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Portland.
And the ER-50 failed.
West of Corpus Christi, north.
Cool.
Moving south at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar.
Bro,
Impact, expect wind gusts in
hold on.
excess of 34 knots.
Let me show y'all something real quick.
Frequent lightning and heavy downpours.
Nah, there's no freaking way. I just...
Wearing light jackets. Locations impacted include Corpus Christi, northeast, downtown Corpus Christi, Corpus Christi Naval Air Station, and Portland. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high winds.
Hang on, let me find it real quick.
South Texas weather observation. At Corpus Christi, mostly cloudy. Temperature 86 degrees, dew point 79, and
No, I actually thought that was an SVR. I'm not gonna lie.
wind.
And why did you fail? Oh, I see why now. What the fuck is that? Hold on, I'm gonna show you something. You see this tweet? I literally was just talking about these 2 storms colliding. The ones that are circled, you see that little cluster? You see that little cluster right there? And then that little itty bitty cluster. I was literally just talking about them, and here goes Corpus Christi with an SMW. Oh, cool. I'm gonna join that space, so. Oh, fuck you, Twitter. Fuck you. And ER-50, you failed. The ER-50 failed. ER-50, you failed again!
The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a special marine warning for Baton Bay and Upper Laguna, Madre, coastal waters from Baton Bay to Port Aransas out 20 nautical miles, Corpus Christi and New Aces Bays until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Port Aransas to Flower Bluff, 9 nautical miles south of downtown Corpus.
And their phone dies.
Moving south at 15 knots.
Okay, cool, motherfucker.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Corpus Christi North Beach, downtown Corpus Christi, Corpus Christi Naval Air Station, Packery Channel, and Port Olympus. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. Active systems. The National Hurricane Center is issuing advisories on hurricane.
Why did you fail?
On tropical storm.
Bro! Hold on. Oh, I see why you failed. There, you shouldn't fail next time. By the way, the 12262 didn't decode until the second header. So it almost failed.
Formation chance through 7 days.
Huh. Are you serious right now?
The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a special marine warning for Baboon Bay and Upper Laguna, Maudlin, coastal waters.
I was about to say you failed for a third time, but I guess third time's a charm.
New Aces Bays until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles southeast of Port Aransas to near Packery Channel to 11 nautical miles west.
I was wondering how to get that light to
Beach,
stop flashing.
moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Packery Channel, Malaquite Beach, and Port Aransas. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The forecast for the Corpus Christi area. West of tonight, partly cloudy. Isolated showers and thunderstorms early this evening, then scattered showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 70s. Southeast diminishing to 5 to 10 miles an hour.
What is that, 4th SMW? This is starting to get, I don't know, a little out of hand.